Greetings, welcome to a quick demonstration on how to do an install on a Windows computer. So firstly, you need to open up an internet browser on your computer and navigate to the webpage www.eor.app. Once you've done that, select the Downloads tab, and once you're on the Downloads tab, click on Download for Windows. It may pop up with this message here, in which case click on the three dots and click on Keep, and then click on Show More, Keep Anyway. Wait for that to download. And then click on Open File, More Info, Run Anyway. You need to have this ticked here, Create a Desktop Shortcut. Click on Next, click on Install. And that will put an icon on your desktop which looks like this. If we double click on that icon, click on Yes, and then click on this purple button here. Need to wait for the file to download in full. And now the Eor logo should be on your desktop. If we open that up and fill in your password as normal, you should be able to log in and carry on. Just as a reminder, the version number is written down here. This is the one that we're doing the install of here is 1.5.0.3, and the database versions are also there as well. They'll be useful when you watch future videos, as we'll tell you about new features and what version of the software you'll need in order to be able to use those features. Thank you very much.
For more information, visit our website at www.eor.app.